Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our deep dive into the most exciting developments in the world of automotive innovation and outdoor adventure. Today, we are looking at a vehicle that genuinely defies categorization and challenges our traditional understanding of what a vacation home on wheels can be. For decades, outdoor enthusiasts have faced a difficult choice when planning their weekend getaways. Do you bring the trailer for a comfortable night under the stars, or do you bring the boat for a day of excitement on the water? Usually, this requires two separate vehicles, two different trailers, and a whole lot of logistical headaches. But what if you did not have to choose? What if your trailer was actually the boat itself? This is the core philosophy behind the Aquamper, a stunning new amphibious travel trailer that is currently making waves in the industry. It is a dual-purpose marvel that functions as a high-quality caravan on the road and a fully capable houseboat or pontoon boat once it hits the water. This is not just a gimmick or a floating box. It is a meticulously engineered solution for the modern explorer who wants the best of both worlds without the compromise of towing multiple units. The Aquamper represents a significant leap forward in amphibious design, moving away from the clunky and often unreliable dual-mode vehicles of the past. At first glance, while it is on its trailer, it looks like a sleek, modern, and perhaps slightly boxy travel trailer. Its aerodynamic profile is designed to be towed easily by most midsize SUVs or light trucks, making it accessible to a wide range of travelers. However, the secret lies in its construction. The hull is crafted from marine-grade aluminum, a material chosen for its incredible strength-to-weight ratio and its natural resistance to corrosion in both fresh and saltwater environments. This aluminum foundation ensures that the Aquamper is durable enough to handle the rigors of highway speeds while remaining light enough to float with ease and stability. When you arrive at a boat ramp, the transition is remarkably simple. You simply back the trailer into the water just as you would with a traditional boat. Because the Aquamper is built to be a boat first and a trailer second, it slides off the custom chassis and into the water with minimal effort. There is no complex unfolding process or secondary assembly required.
Once it is off the trailer, the Aquamper is ready to sail, powered by an outboard motor that can be easily mounted to the integrated transom. Speaking of power, the Aquamper is designed to accommodate various outboard engines, typically ranging from small, efficient motors for quiet lake cruising to more powerful units if you need to navigate slightly swifter currents. This flexibility allows owners to tailor the performance to their specific needs. But the innovation does not stop at the propulsion system. One of the most impressive aspects of the Aquamper is its self-sufficiency. The roof is often equipped with high-efficiency solar panels that feed a substantial battery bank. This means that whether you are parked at a remote campsite in the middle of a forest or anchored in a secluded cove miles from the nearest dock, you have a reliable source of electricity for your lights, appliances, and gadgets. This off-grid capability is what truly elevates the Aquamper from a mere vehicle to a legitimate mobile home. It grants you the freedom to stay out on the water for days at a time, enjoying the serenity of the waves without ever needing to return to shore for a power hookup. Inside, the Aquamper is a masterclass in space management and interior design. Despite its compact exterior dimensions, which are kept within standard road-legal limits for easy towing, the interior feels remarkably spacious and airy. This is achieved through the use of large panoramic windows that wrap around the living space, providing 360-degree views of your surroundings, whether they be mountains or mangroves. The layout is typically centered around a multifunctional dinette area that serves as a lounge and dining space during the day, but can be quickly and easily converted into a large, comfortable sleeping area for 2 to 4 adults at night. The materials used inside are chosen for their luxury feel and their ability to withstand the moisture and humidity inherent in a marine environment. You will find high-quality upholstery, durable flooring, and elegant cabinetry that would not look out of place in a high-end yacht. The kitchenette, or galley as it is known in the boating world, is surprisingly well equipped for a vessel of this size. It usually features an induction or gas cooktop, a compact refrigerator, a stainless steel sink with pressurized water, and plenty of storage for dry goods and cooking utensils.
This allows for full meal preparation, meaning you are not limited to just sandwiches and snacks during your voyage. Furthermore, the Aquamper includes a fully enclosed wet bath. For those unfamiliar with the term, this is a compact bathroom where the entire room is waterproofed, containing a toilet, a small vanity, and a shower head. Having a private bathroom and shower on a boat of this size is a game changer, providing a level of comfort and hygiene that is often missing from smaller houseboats or traditional camping setups. It removes the need to rely on public facilities at campsites or marinas, further enhancing that feeling of total independence. Safety and stability are of course paramount when you are dealing with an amphibious vehicle. The Aquacamper features a wide beam and a flat-bottomed hull design, which provides exceptional stability on the water. It is designed to be virtually untippable in normal conditions, giving passengers peace of mind, even if the water gets a bit choppy. The aluminum hull is divided into multiple watertight compartments, ensuring that even in the unlikely event of a puncture, the vessel remains buoyant. On the road, the custom trailer is equipped with high-quality suspension and braking systems to ensure that the Aquacamper follows the tow vehicle faithfully and stops safely every time. The transition from road to water is where many previous amphibious concepts failed, but the Aquacamper has refined this process to be as intuitive as possible. What makes the Aquacamper truly special is the lifestyle it enables. Imagine waking up to the sound of birds in a dense forest, having breakfast, and then simply driving a few miles to a nearby lake. Within minutes, your campsite has become your vessel, and you are drifting toward the center of the lake for a day of fishing or swimming. As the sun begins to set, you don't have to pack up and leave. You simply drop anchor, turn on your solar-powered lights, and enjoy a dinner cooked in your own kitchen while the water laps against the side of the hull. You are falling asleep in the same bed, but in a completely different world. This seamless integration of land and sea travel opens up thousands of new destinations and experiences that were previously out of reach or required too much effort to coordinate. It appeals to a new generation of travelers who value versatility, sustainability, and the ability to disconnect from the grid without sacrificing the comforts of home.
As we look toward the future of the RV and marine industries, it is clear that hybrid solutions like the Aquamamper will play an increasingly important role. People are looking for more efficiency and more value from their recreational investments. Why pay for a boat that sits in a marina for 11 months of the year and a camper that sits in your driveway for the other month? The Aquamamper solves this by providing a single, high-quality unit that can be used year-round in a variety of environments. It is a bold statement in design and engineering, proving that with enough creativity, the boundaries between land and water can be beautifully blurred. Whether you are a seasoned sailor looking for a more portable option or a dedicated camper wanting to explore the blue parts of the map, the Aquamamper offers a unique and compelling vision of what the future of adventure looks like.